In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay an Atome payment. While Atome doesn't offer a manual defer or pause button, there is a built-in alternative that can help you spread an upcoming charge across several months. It's called Auto Installment, and it's available for eligible Atome card bills. I'll show you exactly how to turn it on and what to expect when your due date arrives. Start by launching the Atome app on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your account details. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the latest information on your bills loads correctly. Once you're in, tap the Bills tab. You'll find this in the main navigation of the app. This is where Atome organizes what you owe and when it's due, so it's the right place to prepare your payments ahead of time. Next, confirm that you're viewing the Atome card section within Bills. This is important because auto installment applies to your Atome card outstanding bill, not to individual pay in 3 purchases. If you see a list of separate orders, switch to the Atome card view so you're looking at your card statement balance. Now look for the auto installment toggle and turn it on. This toggle typically appears within the Atome card bill view. When it's enabled, you're telling Atome to automatically convert the eligible outstanding amount into a multi-month plan on your due date rather than charging the full balance all at once. If you don't see the toggle, it may mean your account, region, or current bill isn't eligible for auto installment. Here's what will happen on the due date. Instead of a single large charge, Atomy will automatically convert the eligible portion of your Atomy card bill into a 3 or 6-month installment plan. That breaks the payment into smaller scheduled installments, making the immediate out-of-pocket amount more manageable. After the conversion, you'll be able to view the installment schedule and see the amounts and dates clearly in your Bills tab. A few helpful tips as you use this feature. Turn on the toggle before the due date to ensure the conversion happens on time. Keep sufficient funds available for the first installment, which will be charged on or just after the due date. Only eligible balances will be converted, and plan options may vary by market and account status. Administrative fees or other charges may apply according to Atome's terms, so review the details in your app. That's it. By enabling auto installment on your Atomy card bill, you can't defer a payment outright, but you can effectively spread it over several months and avoid one big charge on your due date.